Nothing was ruggedized, nothing was meant to operate in a warehouse. So we were scrappy and we were just putting it together and making it work. As I gained experience and deployed these machines, built these machines, spent hundreds of hours working on them, I've learned just countless lessons about what it takes to make something industrial, rugged, and built to last. One of the things that guides me as a mechanical engineer when I'm working on our products is designing products that are meant to be serviceable and people enjoy working on. When I'm putting together my prototypes, when I'm working on the machine, I'm getting inside the machine and figuring out what works and what doesn't. I'm not separated from the machine in that aspect. And I think that's very important as a mechanical engineer. Just being able to understand what someone might end up having to do on our machines. And as a result, that guides the design work, and that allows me as an engineer to produce a product that really lasts and people want to use and care about and take care of.